These animations created with extraordinary artificial intelligence seem really exciting to me. The interesting thing is that this AI is incredibly simple and free, at least for now. In this video, we first animate our favorite character using a text prompt. Then, we use our own reference video. Finally, we place the animated character in the main video. Let's get started. Firstly, we need a 3D character that the Lexica AI can assist us with. On the main page, you can write something in the search bar and find your desired character. Just make sure that the body measurements match your reference video for better results. If these characters are not enough for you, there is a generate section. You can create your own desired character by writing a prompt, adding a negative prompt, and specifying the output size. I've picked these characters. Now, without delay, we enter Google and search for Viggle. We enter the website of this AI and click on the Join the Beta option. You need a Discord account to use this software. In the next step, you answer a few initial questions, and then everything is ready. Now, enter one of the Animate channels and type /. This AI offers you 6 options, and each one performs a specific task. Let's start with the first one and import the image of our desired character. In the next section, you can use the motion prompts provided by this artificial intelligence on the website. As you can see, there are many of them, and they are very diverse. By clicking this button, we copy the prompt and paste it here. Now, select the type of background and then activate the fine-tune option. Press the Enter key and wait for your video to be generated. Despite its problems, it is really fascinating. Now, let's try other characters. Next, we move on to the Mix option and import the image of our desired character. Now we need to add a reference video. This time, it's better to choose a green background so that we can remove it more easily. It has some strange vibrations, but overall, it's good. Now, import the video into the CAPCUT and place the original video in the layer below it. Then from the video section, choose the chroma key option and pick the color green. Specified intensity to remove background. You can see that even the camera movement has been done well. To remove the character from the original video, you can use the Runway ML AI. Of course, by searching on Google, you can find free software that may have lower quality, but will give you acceptable output. From the In-Painting section, import your desired video and completely cover all parts of the character with the brush tool. You can check the preview, and if it's acceptable, click on the Export button. Now, import the video into CapCut and replace the previous one. I hope you enjoy it. Until next time, stay creative.